In a small village called Thiruvakkudi, a couple named Madhavan and Madhvi lived happily with their only son, Heman, who was 11 years old. Madhavan was a well-to-do man in that village. They raised Heman, their beloved son born after several years of marriage, with great affection. Heman tried to go outside to play with the other children, but his parents did not let him go out. Instead, they bought him the toys he asked for and made him play at home. Even though Heman insisted persistently, he was not allowed to make friends or play with anyone, and was raised in isolation. With no other option, Heman spent his time playing inside the house with toys. However, he would watch the neighboring children playing with delight and admiration. When going to school, his parents would take him there themselves, and after school ended, they would come to pick him up. At school, he watched with interest as other students came actively and freely, both on foot and on bicycles. Because his parents had excessive affection for their son, they raised Heman with great care. However, he grew up without the freedom to play. As a result, although he was physically healthy, he grew up with a low self-esteem, feeling, "I cannot run and play like the other students, I cannot participate in any game." He did not take part in any of the games or competitions held at school. After a few months, he stopped paying attention in class and did not study well. Even though they bought whatever their son needed and raised him, the parents felt sad thinking that due to his low self-esteem, he was not as happy as the other children. This year, in the 6th grade where Heman was studying, he developed a close friendship with David, who studied alongside him. Heman began to openly express what was in his heart to David. Though he was physically strong, Heman, unaware of his own strength, told David, "I can't play any sport," complaining about his physical abilities. One day, it was announced that various motivational sports competitions would be conducted for 6th grade students. Among them, a boxing competition for boys was announced for Heman and David. The students were instructed to bring their parents to the event. Hearing this, Heman said sadly, "I am physically weak. I am not fit to play with you. Even if I do play, I won't be able to win." The day of the competition arrived. The match between Heman and David began. Although Heman had physical strength, he was mentally weak. Realizing this, after fighting for a few minutes, David fell down as if he couldn't continue. As soon as it was announced that Heman had won, he jumped up with joy. Seeing this, David also felt happy. Heman's parents, who were watching the game, realized that David had given up for the sake of their son's victory. They were moved to see the joy their son felt from the victory and the true friendship David had for his son. After gaining David's friendship, the parents noticed the positive change in their son and realized, it is the parents' duty to provide a safe environment, but at the same time, it is also essential to give children the freedom they need. After this victory, Heman enthusiastically began playing with his other friends. With the same enthusiasm, he also studied well, earned good grades, received his certificate, and gained everyone's appreciation. Seeing his friends' victory and enthusiasm, David felt proud. Madhvi and Madhavan, seeing Heman happily enter the house with the certificate, gratefully remembered David, who possessed the generous and virtuous qualities that were the reason for this change.